Welcome back to WASP3D. Today we'll show you how to link real-time stock prices to your OBS and vMix scrolling ticker workflow for a professional financial broadcast look. Using WASP3D PRO, we have attached the link in the description. First, open WASP3D Designer. Click on the rectangle shape tool as shown in the video. Go to the parameter section and adjust the rectangle's width and height according to your requirements. Next, go to Base Pivot. You'll see multiple options there. For this tutorial, we're selecting center left. Move the rectangle to the extreme left side as shown in the video, then increase the rectangle width from the parameter section. Now go to the hierarchy section. In the material section, you'll see rectangle. Click on Uniform 1 and rename it to Band 1 as shown in the video. Make a copy of it by right-clicking. A duplicate called Band 2 will be created. In the material section, select None, then go to Fill and choose any color you want. For this tutorial, we're using white. Now go to the Z parameter and adjust the value as shown in the video. Also change the width and height accordingly. This will create a border stroke effect. Select both Band 1 and Band 2, group them together and rename the group to Base. Now let's animate it. Select Band 2 and enable Auto Key as shown in the video. Go to Scaling and create the animation. From the Track View category, select Band 2 and choose the Scale keyframe. Open Key Info, then go to Track Interpolator and select Bezier. Adjust the Ease Out value for a smoother transition. Now turn off Auto Key. Click on Q to preview the animation. Simply drag and drop the animation from Band 1 to Band 2. For an even smoother animation, you can move the Band 1 keyframe slightly forward. Next, select the 3D text tool and adjust its position. Rename it to Company 1. Go to the parameter section and enable bounded text. Adjust the bounded width and height accordingly. Duplicate the company layer and rename it to Value 1. From the parameter section, change the text type to number. Again, adjust the bounded width and height as needed. Now create another rectangle shape. Adjust its width and height and place it next to the value box. Rename this layer to Arrow. Go to the Material Editor. Under Texture, upload a PNG image of the stock arrow. Add a new uniform and rename it to Green Arrow. Drag and drop the arrow texture into it and set the opacity to 0. Now right-click on Green Arrow and select Set Material to Object. Go back to the Hierarchy section, select Arrow, and then click Green Arrow. The green arrow will now appear on the ticker band. Adjust the width and height accordingly. Now parent Value 1 to Company 1 and parent Arrow 1 to Value 1 by dragging and dropping them in the hierarchy. Next, click on Scroll Group. A new Scroll Group layer will be created. Parent Company 1 to the Scroll Group. Then click on Scroller to create a scroller layer and parent the scroll group to the scroller. Create multiple copies of the scroll group. Now go to Track View. At frame 20, right-click on Control and select Pause. Then go to frame 10, right-click on Control and click Add. A window will open. In the search bar, search for Start Scrolling. In Target, go to Primitive and select Scroller 1. Click OK, then click Add and close the window. Now go to frame 30 and repeat the same process, but this time select Stop Scrolling. Click Q and you'll see the scrolling animation we just created. Repeat the same process for the red arrow material, just like we did for the green arrow. Open Variable Sheet, then go to Data and select JSON. A new window will open. Click Browse and select your JSON data file, then click OK. Double-click JSON 1. In Common Settings, set Row Page to 1 and apply the filter. Now enable Override in Data Table and also enable Loop. Click Apply. Go back to Track View. Select the Scroller 1 layer, right-click, go to Events, and then click on Scroller. The Data Table window will open. Search for Set Scene Parameter. In Target category, select Self, then go to Primitive and select Company 1. Click OK. Under Object Parameters, select Text in Target. Data Source, select JSON from the drop-down menu. Choose WROOT, then select the required data field and click OK. Now click Add. Next, search for Change Keyframe. Select Self, then Primitive and choose Value 1. Click OK. Under Parametric, select Numeric Text and choose Value from the drop-down. In Data Source, select JSON arrow WROOT arrow percentage change. Click OK and then click Add. Now search for Match Variable. In Target, click Add Case. Select Data Source arrow JSON arrow WROOT and click OK. For Case 1, set the operator to greater than or equal to and set the target value to 0. For Case 2, set the operator to less than and set the target value to 0. Now search for Set Material. In the Set window, go to Primitive and select Arrow 1, click OK, choose Green Arrow and click Add. Repeat the same process for Case 2, but this time select Red Arrow. Now click Exit Switch Case and click Add. Next, search for Record Move. In Target, select JSON to WROOT and click OK. Now search for Stop Scroller. In Target, open Primitive and select Scroller 1. Click OK and click Add. Click Exit Switch Case and then click Add again. Select Scroller Group 2. In the Action Stack, select Set Param. Go to Default Arrow Company 1 text. Under Primitive, select Company 2 and click OK. In Target Data Source, select JSON to WROOT and click OK, then click Update. Now select Change Keyframe to Default to Value 2. Click OK. In Value Data Source, select JSON arrow WROOT arrow percentage change. Click OK and then click Update. Next, select Match Variable. Under Case 1, click Set Material. From Default, select Arrow 2 and click OK, then click Update. Repeat the same process for Case 2, but select Red Arrow instead of Green Arrow. Click Exit Switch Case and then click Update. Repeat the same process for the remaining groups. Just select the corresponding company name, value, and arrow layers. After completing the setup, click Update and close the window. Now click Queue and preview your animation. Finally, move the scroller and base layer to the bottom of the screen. Last step, open the JSON in Notepad. Update the data by adding different number and positive/negative value. Data updates smoothly in real time. We have attached the useful link below. Don't forget to check it out and like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Until then, keep streaming.